We are back, and this time we want to insert those questions in between these videos. There are questions. Before she said this, there was a question, so I'm going to insert there. Okay, I'm going to insert there a blank video where the question will be inserted. I think it's too long. Just it should be short something. So it's going to, should it be black background? You know we did this already. Will not like black. Let me change the background. Let's use white. Okay. Now in this white background, what was the question? What is your name? So I'm going to bring in my text there. I'm typing it. Okay, that's the question. What is your name? The font style, font size you choose, animation you choose. I don't even think it needs animation. They just pop out. They just come out like that. What's your name? Okay. Can see the what's your name. You have reached even the if it has passed that blank video and I've reached the main video, so I want to shorten it. Beautiful. So let's play and see. Okay, so we are going to put in insert there here another blank video. I think we should just duplicate this one and move it there, so that we'll learn how to move videos too. So I highlighted it and look for the icon duplicate here, and I've seen it. I click on it. That's it there. So it has duplicated into two. You can see the first one here, the second one here. So I'm taking the second one here to the other side. Then I'll just insert. How do I do it? How do I do that? Sorry. I click and hold. When I click and hold, it brings out all the short videos, that made up this video. We've splitted them all. So look at the second one I'm looking for here. I will now move it by clicking and dragging to this place. So you know what, we should just duplicate, and since we will need it for every other question, so let's just duplicate and move them in between each video clip. That's what I'm doing right now. I think that's the last one there. All right, so I'm done. I go back and everyone is there. So you do like that. So you come to this blank and type in the next question. You do like that. For the sake of this video, not to be too long, we'll come back. So I'll just go and type them all.